Good morning, this is Phil. I'm a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service office in Norman, Oklahoma. And I want to give you the latest update on severe weather we are expecting later this afternoon into this evening. Bottom line, the confidence has increased for the risk of significant severe thunderstorms to develop across western Oklahoma later this afternoon and then spreading eastward this evening into central and eastern portions of Oklahoma. It does appear that the ingredients will be in place for all severe hazards, with large hail potentially up to the size of baseballs, damaging wind gusts potentially exceeding 80 miles an hour, along with the potential for a few tornadoes. Taking a look at our severe thunderstorm risk graphic, if you checked in with us yesterday, this might look a little bit different than what you saw. Mainly, we've had a fairly significant increase to the risk level into the moderate range. And all this really represents as an increase in confidence that we will see significant severe thunderstorms later this afternoon into this evening. The area most likely to see these significant severe thunderstorms would be across northwest into portions of central Oklahoma, but I would urge you not to focus only on the moderate risk area. Anyone that is in a risk today could see significant severe weather. The moderate just represents the most likely area for that potential. And as I mentioned before, these thunderstorms will have the capability to produce very large hail up to the size of baseballs, damaging wind gusts potentially exceeding 80 miles an hour, and there will also be at least a low to medium tornado potential this evening. And taking a look at that tornado potential, you can see the most likely area for tornado development is currently expected across portions of northwest Oklahoma late this afternoon into this evening. But there is at least a very low to low tornado risk across much of the area this evening, including portions of central, southern Oklahoma, along with portions of western North Texas. Again, don't focus only on the highest risk area. That is just where the greatest likelihood exists, but there is at least some tornado potential today across much of the area. As far as timing is concerned, it does look like thunderstorms could develop as early as about 3 o'clock this afternoon across portions of western Oklahoma and western North Texas. But the most likely time frame for that development will be about 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Thunderstorms will then spread eastward into central and eastern Oklahoma this evening, with the most likely time frame in central Oklahoma being 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. And then east of I-35, it looks like the most likely time frame will be after 10 p.m. this evening. So what can you do to prepare for today's severe weather? Some good things to keep in mind is checking out your storm shelter, making sure it's cleaned out and ready to use. Do you have flashlights and batteries around in case the power goes out? If you have a weather radio, is it programmed and working? Make sure that you're checking the local weather frequently through the morning into the afternoon for any updates. Is your family aware of your severe weather plan and what you would do in the event that severe thunderstorms approach? And of course, don't forget about your pets. That's all we have for now. Be sure to keep checking back with us through the day for continued updates to our severe weather forecasts and timing. And again, make sure that you know what you'll do in the event that severe thunderstorms approach your area.